Dear traders, in this video I'm going to teach you about high frequency scalping trading view strategy, which can be used not only for the forex but also for crypto and stock market. But before going towards the details, I want to tell you that which broker I'm using for my trading, that is Exness. If you want to open your account with them, they will give you 5 options of accounts. They are standard cent, prosper, zero and pro account. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods, plus they give you maximum profit for your each trading. So if you are interested to open your account with Exness, do go and find the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the video strategy. Here we are going to have two indicators. The first indicator is GAN high low by given Osbelgic 3208 traders are using this indicator. You have to simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. The second indicator that we are going to have here is Lagier RSI by Gewank Osbelgic. Again, 6389 traders are using this indicator. Simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. Okay, the strategy is simple. Whenever you are going to have a long trade or for the bullish trade, you have to simply see whenever your line is changing of GAN high low from pink to blue, it will be giving a signal for your bullish trend. For example, here if we see this this pink color line has changed its color from pink to blue, so it is giving us the sign for getting into the bullish trend. So we have seen that this is the green color candle. We have to wait for it to finish above this blue color line. So here is our first candle where we are going to enter into the market for the bullish trend. So from here we can take the trade for the buy signal. For the confirmation of this whether we are in the bullish pattern or not, we have to see our the second indicator, that is Lagier RSI. From here we can see that our this EMA is also moving towards the bullish pattern, so we have to take the trade for the buy signal. So in the same way we have taken the profit from here till here, as you can see. But for the bearish signal, we have to wait for the this indicator color line has to change from blue to pink. As we can see from here, it has been changed, so we are going to have our red color candles of the market as well. So whenever you have seen this line color has been changed, you have to confirm it by looking at here as the market has gone over bought level. So we have to see it. We have to take our trade for our downtrend, for the bearish trend, as the market has to take the trend reversal. So from here we have to take the trade for the bearish pattern, and we will enter into the market for bearish trend, and we have to take the trade, as you can see, from here till here. So till here we have taken the trade for the bearish trend, and we have taken the maximum profit till here. So this is very good strategy, as you can see from here. As here in this way you can see that our market has gone down for the bearish trend, and from here again it has taken the uptrend, and it has again changed into the bullish pattern. And from here, if you see, as you can see here, the line color has changed from pink to blue, so it has taken again trend reversal, and it has gone till here. So maximum profit has been taken by using this indicator. So if you like the strategy, do use it for your own trading, and do not forget to like and subscribe my video. And good luck from my side. Take care.